we just lie tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Monday. Okay, guys, so real quick, I have been MIA. I know I've not filmed since Thursday. I'm gonna actually give you guys an update on my COVID in a whole nother video. Right now, we're about to get into the Boxycharm for January, and I honestly want to have a long talk with you guys. Not on this video, but it will be a video coming up tomorrow. Please stay tuned for it. Please make sure you watch it. It's very important because a part of me is very upset, and I'm upset with the people who know who they are. So we're just going to leave it on that, and we're going to get into this Boxycharm video. But first, I want to remind everybody, if you are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a 2021 giveaway going on. It is extended until February 1st, so get your entries in. I will leave the link to that giveaway video in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get into this Boxycharm. Okay, so Boxycharm, if you guys know, it is a monthly subscription service. It is $25, if I'm not mistaken, and then tax. It was $21, then it went up to $25. It's like it keeps going up, just like Ipsy now has tax. It's crazy. Subscription box is 2021. I would have thought it would have gone down, but instead it's gone up. So let's get into my box. Always you get to choose one product. You get 5 full-size products, and I honestly don't even remember what I chose. It probably was like a blush palette or something, knowing me. But anyways, this is what the box looks like, and let's get into it. So I love Boxycharm. I love that it's full-size products. I love that it's a variety of things. You know, as you know, Boxycharm has been recently bought out by Ipsy, and so far I'm seeing really good things with Ipsy because of that. So let's go ahead and pull out my first product. Okay, so I got the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. I am so pumped for this. I don't know if I chose this, honestly. This is papaya. It says it's an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer. That delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. This refreshing formula contains a blend of magora water, papaya, willow herb, and wow, I don't even know that word, but I'm going to try it. Reduce shine and clear pores of dirt and impurities. So this is great, especially because I have combination skin. Mostly, though, I have oily skin, but you'll never know it because I have a great skin routine that will be coming very soon. So yeah, this is Pharmacy, great brand, and I know this is pricey. So I'm really glad I got this. Not to mention it's a gel, so I'm really hoping that it's cooling on my face. Okay, next product, we have Dr. Brandt. And, oh, it's like they knew me. I've not been sleeping really good with this COVID. I've been, like, staying up until 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why, because I thought COVID was supposed to make you sleep. But instead, it's been making me stay awake. Plus, you know, I've been watching Buffy and Angel, which I finished yesterday. So, this is Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So, this is great, obviously, for dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles. You guys can't really tell that much today because I use concealer, but I have had a little bit of puffiness under my eyes lately. So this is great. And Dr. Brandt, as you guys know, is a great brand. So we got 2 facial products, which I'm not mad, honestly. All right, next. Okay, now I'm going to get mad because where's my makeup? This is 3 products and I'm changing my thumbnail. I'm definitely changing my thumbnail. So this is the Avant Hyaluronic, whoa, like you have to read all this and I have no idea what the hell it says. Glyceric, cerium, sodium, chloride, testosterone, no, I'm just playing. Brazilian nut, that's all I got, Brazil nut. Hyaluronic acid, rejuvenating micellar water. So as you guys know, I live on the Garnier micellar water. That is my go-to, that is my secret to my youth. No, I'm just playing. I'm 33. But no, seriously, I use it day and night, and I love that stuff. So I'm not really sure how this is going to work with me, especially if it's fragrant, because I don't use anything with fragrant. Doesn't smell like it's fragrant, but we'll see. We'll give it a try. Like I said, we have 3 face products, and these last 2 products better be makeup or I'm be pissed. because I don't get a makeup subscription box for no makeup. Oy vey. Oh my God. Okay, so we have here the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. As you guys know, I love anything coconut, but I am not a chapstick person. I am a Blistex person. So this is in cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers and soften the balm. It will make an easy flow from the nozzle. Who got time for that? So this is going in a giveaway. End of story. My last product better be something good or I am going to be peeved. Okay, peeved. What'd I tell you? My choice product was a blush palette. So, oh no, it's not. No, did I choose this? I don't remember. So this is the Ciate London Velvet Palette. I can only imagine that this is going to be beautiful pinks and nudes and mauves. I'm really excited to see. It says it's a 12 palette. This is probably what I chose. Who knows? Ooh, good packaging though. I love Ciate London. So this is what it looks like here. Oh. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at that palette. It is screaming Samantha Sweets. I have to swatch this color right here. Oh my gosh. That all over the lid. Oh my God. I think when I come back from my eyebrow appointment, because I'm going to go get tested to make sure I'm negative for COVID. If it is negative, I'm going to my eyebrow appointment and I am putting this on. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever had love at first sight with a palette and I'm in love. So this is definitely worth the box. Like, I'm not even going to bitch about the other stuff because this is worth the box right here. So happy. Let me know in the comments below, did you get this palette? This palette is breathtaking. I am so pumped to try this palette. All right, on to how much my box totaled to, or what everything was. So we have the Ciate London Velvet Palette is $30. I'm so glad that I got this in my box for $25 because I would never pay $30 for this. Never. Okay. Then we have the Pharmacy. I really thought this was going to be more money. This is only $38. I really thought that was more than that. Okay. Are you kidding me? This thing better make me turn back into a teenager, okay? $98? Dollars, not doll hairs, dollars. Holy crap. Avant. I need to do some research on this bad boy. This might be my replacement. $90 damn for some micellar water. Good Lord. Good gracious. Okay. Let me just see what it does real quick. Okay. Infused with replenishing ingredients, bi-phase hyaluronic acid rejuvenating, presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient makeup, waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities and dissolve makeup without rubbing or rinsing. Oh boy, I might have put my foot in my mouth if this really works, because I ain't gonna lie, my micellar water, it's bomb, but it takes me like 4 to 6 times on my little pad to get the stuff off my eyes. So if this works that good, holy cow. Okay, I'm not mad. Dr. Brandt Do Not Age. This is for your eyes. This is $82. So, whoa, because it feels small. And then last but not least, and I highly doubt this is $33 for a lip balm. Okay, Boxycharm, I think you embellish a little bit, okay? I think you guys are a little dramatic, but I'm still not keeping it because who knows what it would do to my lips. I use Blistex and Blistex only, and then in the summer I use Sun Bum. Okay, so that was my January Boxycharm box. I honestly was disappointed at first. I was gonna change my thumbnail, but now I'm actually happy. I really am happy. Like, it's kind of weird. This thing is speaking to me because it's like glistening. Can you kind of see it's glistening? I don't know. Who knows? All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed my Boxycharm. Let me know if we were Boxy twins. I love that when you guys say we're Boxy twins. So that's my new thing. Let me know if we're Boxy twins. Let me know what you guys got. Let me know if you got the Ciate London palette, because I cannot wait to play with that. And I will see you guys on my next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Love y'all. Bye.